Hey everyone, want to turn images into videos with Luma AI? In this video, I'll show you how to animate your photos using AI step by step. First, open your web browser and go to the Luma AI website. Sign in to your account and open the video creation page. Next, choose the **image to video ** option to start a new project. Now upload the image you want to animate. For the best results, use a clear, high-quality image with a visible subject. After uploading, write a prompt describing how you want the image to move. Include details about camera motion, character movement, lighting, and the overall visual style. Next, adjust available settings like video length, aspect ratio, and quality based on your project. Click Generate * and wait while Luma AI transforms your image into a video. Once the video is ready, preview the result and refine your prompt if you want smoother motion or a different animation style. Finally, export your finished video and use it for social media, presentations, marketing, or creative projects. And that's how to turn images into videos with Luma AI. With the right image and a detailed prompt, you can create impressive AI animations in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.